Hello and welcome to what's happening outside today. Just want to show you we've got 5 new chickens. These are 7-week-old chicks, these 3. We've got a couple of 2-week-old ones inside. This is just a temporary coop that I've set up with some bits and pieces I had lying around just so they could get some fresh air and sunshine. Peck around and scratch around on the grass. And they'll go in the main coop later on for sleeping with Henny Penny. We lost a couple of chickens to dingoes and natural causes over the last 6 or 7 months, so we're replacing some. We don't need too many. These are Hamburg crosses, apparently. The black and white one, Silver Spangled Hamburg Cross. Don't know what it's crossed with, but that's what we've been told. The other one's Golden Spangled Hamburg Cross. Thinking this one with the more crop development. Crop and wattle development is a rooster, and the other two with hardly any crop and wattle development, hens. But time will tell. Yeah, they seem happy out there, scratching around, getting some fresh air and sunshine. We won't let them free range with Henny Penny just yet. Wait till they get a bit bigger and Henny Penny will teach them the ropes. Most chickens will get into a routine of coming out in the morning and putting themselves away early evening as the sun starts to go down. Very easy to look after. As I said, this is just a temporary little run for them to get them out of the main coop, which is really just for sleeping and egg laying. We like our chickens to be completely free range. Unfortunately, that leaves us exposed to the odd loss from a dingo, but there hasn't been much in 6 years we've been here, so that's pretty good. We haven't had a rooster before, so it'll be a bit of an adjustment for Henny Penny. She's quite an independent, feisty little chicken. We'll see how she goes once this rooster grows up, if it turns out to be a rooster as I expect. Yeah, just thought we'd give you an update there. I'll show you the 2-week-old chicks. They're in a cage inside at the moment. These are our 2-week-old chicks we picked up from the same person we got the 7-week-old ones from. I'm guessing that maybe one may be a rooster, one a hen, but there's all different ways I've seen of telling. But I think time will tell to be 100% sure. Oop, having a bit of a play. We've been handling them a lot too, just to get them used to us. And they seem to enjoy that. Hello. Nice and soft and fluffy. There you go. Give you an update as they grow. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.